Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Here we have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a is equal to 20. And we are asked to find the value of a. So let's go right into the question and solve. Now, the first thing to do here is find what is common here. We have the 5 to the power of a is common. Say 1 plus 1, that's equal to 20. Okay? 5 to the power of a, you have a bracket, that means it is multiplication. Multiplied by 1 plus 1, you have 2 is equal to 20. Now, we're going to divide both sides by 2. So we say divide both sides by 2. 5 raised to the power of a multiplied by 2 divided by 2 is equal to 20 divided by 2. 2 cancel 2, 1. 5 raised to the power of a multiplied by 1 is what? 5 raised to the power of a is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 0. That's 10. Okay, now let's take the log of both sides. Take log of both sides. That means we say log 5 raised to the power of a is equal to log 10. Now, to simplify further, we still have to apply a law of logarithm where you have log a raised to the power x is equal to x log a, x log a. So I'm going to be saying here is a log 5, okay, that's equal to log 10. Again, we are looking for the value of a. So the thing we have to do now is to divide this left hand and the right hand side by what? Log 5. So now we say divide both sides by log 5. All right, we have a log 5 divided by log 5, that's equal to log 10 divided by log 5. Log 5 cancel log 5. We have what? A is equal to log 10 over log 5. Now, let's rewrite log 10, the 10 here, in a different way by saying this will be log 5 multiplied by 2. Because we both know that 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. We have now over log 5. Okay, now let me wipe off this part while we continue solving the equation. So now we have that a is equal to log 5 multiplied by 2 over log 5. Now we have this product here, and to transform it using the law of logarithm, it will be when you have log a multiplied by b is the same thing as log a plus log b. So let's apply this in this question, in this part. We have a is equal to log 5 plus log 2 all over log 5. Okay, now we can see that this log 5 cuts across log 5 plus log 2. So that means you can independently say that a is equal to log 5 over log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. This log 5 applies to this part, log 5 and log 2. Doesn't take away from anything, it applies to the both parts. So now let's cancel out this one. So log 5 cancel log 5, we have what? 1. So we have that a is equal to 1 is equal to 1 plus log 2 over log 5. Now, this is, we are close to the answer. If you have followed us and watched this content to this very point, kindly give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying the video, and please do well to subscribe to the channel as a way of supporting me to continue doing what I'm doing. Thank you. So we have that 1a is equal to 1 1 plus log 2 over log 5. So if we're going to apply another logarithm rule where you have log a over log b is the same thing as what? Log to the base log 2 base 5. Okay? Here, because they are of the same basis, all right? So we can now say that a is equal to 1 plus log 2 base 5. That is the value of our a. Now, we are not done yet. We have to verify and also check if a in its actual sense is equal to 1 plus log 2 base 5. So let's do a check or a verification using our initial question. So that means we have to go back to the question that we first started with, which is 5 raised to the power a plus 5 raised to the power a is equal to 20. Now let's check if a is actually equal to this. And if you get that, means your answer is actually correct. Okay. Now we have 5a, what's common? 1 plus 1, that's equal to 20. We have 5 raised to the power a multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. And what's the value of a here? The value of a is 1 plus log 2 base 5. So we're going to be replacing a for this. We have 5 to the power of a, and a is what? 1 plus log 2 base 5 multiplied by 2, that's equal to 20. Now we want to check, is this equal to 20? That is our verification. That is to verify. All right. Now here, let's apply another rule. We are dealing with logarithm. That means there are lots of rules, and we'll keep on applying the rules to derive our answer. Okay. Now we have that when we have a setting of logarithm like a to the power of b or a to the power of x plus y, it simply means that a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y. So let's apply this here. So we have our x in this place. Our x here is 1 and our y here is this. So we have 5 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 5, this same base, raised to the power log 2 base 5 multiplied by 2. Is it equal to 20? Yeah? Now 5 to the power of 1 is what? 5. Here, since we have base 5, we have 5 here, base 5, and we have another base. This cancels each other. We are left with what? 5 cancel log 5. We have with 2 multiplied by 2, that's equal to 20. We want to know 5 times 2 is what? 10 multiplied by 2. Is that equal to 20? And obviously 20, our left hand side is the same thing as our right hand side. Okay, that means that 5 raised to the power a is equal plus 5 raised to the power a is equal to 20, whereby a is equal to what? 1 plus log 2 base 5. This is our answer. Here is the value of a. Bye bye. See you in my next video.